School. Today we're going to cover angle shooting. If you shoot uphill, you're going to miss high. Downhill, you'll miss high. Gravity is only affecting that projectile on a horizontal plane. So what we want to do is we want to be able to use something that compensates those angles. And this Revic does, the Vortex does, the SIGs do, and a lot of the other rangefinders out there. So for instance, I've got this connected to my app. If I range down at the ground, you can see we're at a -10 degrees. If I range up towards the top of the tree, you can see we're at a plus. So this is compensating for the angles and of course the compass direction. If I was using just the EB app or another ballistic app, if I click on inclination and azimuth, the camera, you aim it at the target, and of course it's doing compass. So for instance, I'm going to give you an idea of what's going to go on here. So let's just say we're shooting at an animal at 750 yards, and you can see that with no angle or -1, we're at 18.33 minutes. Let's kind of leave it at that same range, but let's say we're shooting down at, say, 30 degrees. You can see that now we're at 15.3. That's a huge difference. Now let's go ahead and aim up at the sky. So we'll pretend we're shooting at an animal at 30 degrees. And there you go, close enough. And we're at 15.52. And again, comparing that to our straight line distance, it's a huge difference. It's 2 to 3 minutes difference at that range, which is pretty significant. We would have missed over the animal every single time. So remember, when you're shooting in valleys, on hills, up and down angles, make sure you're allowing the rangefinder to do like it's supposed to. A lot of guys use just line of sight when they're ranging if they don't have a rangefinder. Now let's just say you don't have one of these ballistic rangefinders. Well, pretty much any rangefinder that's got angle modified range is going to work for you with the Eagle Ballistics app, and that's going to allow you to shoot long range, take care of the angles, take care of the compass direction and all that. So again, I'll say it one more time and then I'll shut up in color. Bottom line is when you're shooting at angles, you have to compensate for the angles or have a piece of kit that does it for you. All right, thanks for watching and have a good day.